You, we beggar again, you feel me? Today's Friday, end of the week right here, you get me? Kinda hit the gym like always, you feel me? We don't skip any day, bro. You go at it, you get me? You feel me? So yeah, man, like I always say, man, finna hit the gym, gain some muscle before you look at the chart. Like I always say, if you win the morning, you get to conquer the day, you feel me? So yeah. You, we beggar again, you feel me? Today's Friday, we're on goal right now for our time frame. The time is 12 p.m. You feel me? So if I look at the market and break it down real quick, you get me? As you can see on the 4 hour time frame, the market been trading. Yesterday took out this buy side liquidity game. Right now there's a fair value gap here. It looks like it traded below the fair value gap here. Let me just mark it out real quick. Mark it out real quick. Mark it out as 4 hour what you call 4 hour fair value gap again. Let me do this 4 hour. Okay, that's what I'm seeing on the 4 hour. Plus we have this fair value gap here as well. Should I mark it out? Let me do this. Okay, we have the fair value gap on the above side and on the below side again. So we're gonna wait and see what the market does here. But my anticipation is maybe price will opt to go for this fair value gap, and we have another one here. So there's a lot of fair value gaps in the 4 hour time frame, you hear me? But right now I'll just mark out these two and go to the lower time frame and see what I'm seeing on the lower time frame. Okay, the data I need, so we need this one. Okay, as you can see, we have previous day low, previous day high, and we have where the market opened initially, where it opened midnight open, you get me? So what the market did, it broke below this 4 hour fair value gap. As you saw on the higher time frame, there's a high here. The market took out this high. Let me mark it out. Let me not just say something so you can understand why. Again, not market structure shift, it's a break of liquidity. Took out liquidity, game. Right now it broke below, you feel me? So where you see it breaks below, it looks like it's aiming for that 4 hour fair value gap that is here. We have liquidities here as well, so price might opt to take out these liquidities as well. Tap inside this fair value gap. This I think is the one we didn't mark out in game. It might take out the previous day low as well, you get me? So right now what I'm anticipating on is, because price took out liquidity on the high side, I'm gonna use this as a market structure shift. Let me just mark it out right now. You get me? I'm gonna use this as market structure shift, anticipating price. Let's say it does something like this. It can come here, bounce here, leave a fair value gap somewhere here. As you can see, there's a small and a fair value gap here. You can maybe retest here before you can go lower. Yeah, maybe before, because it's Friday and the market is being trading up. I'm expecting a retracement inside the range. You get me? So that's what I'm waiting on right now. Let me just go to the 15 and confirm everything. Maybe I can see an entry on the 15. Yeah, as you can see on the 15, there's no entry here. There's no fair value gap here that's been left. So I'm only gonna use the one on the 1 hour, I think. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use the one on the 1 hour game. But I'm not rushing anything. I'm just gonna wait it and wait for it to present it proper. You get me? Proper. But so far it did like following the, you get me? But yeah, man, I'll just update you during the day on which one I trade. You get me? How I trade. So in terms of buy, if it buys, I don't think I'm gonna buy, unless if it buys dramatically. You get me? Maybe it does something like a go above this fair value 4 hour fair value gap and retest here, go above, that's when I'm consider buys, you get me. But as of today, I'm only considering sells, you get me. And I think the sell will come here. If I miss it here, I might not trade for the day. Might, I don't know, you get me. But we have liquidity is resting here. So yeah, man, I just update you during the day. We back again, you feel me? I missed an entry right now, you get me? Not right now, but I missed an entry. The market didn't allow me to enter the market, you get me? But let's break it down real quick. Earlier on, I was looking for sales, you feel me? I was expecting price. As you see, it broke this, creating a market structure shift, touch inside this fair value gap. I was expecting a rejection from here, a close of a bearish candle before I can enter. As you can see, it didn't give me any close of a bearish candle. Let me remove this thing. You get me? It didn't give me any bearish candle, so it kept giving me bullish candle close. Once it broke here, then I knew this is gonna be a market structure shift here. Let me do this. Let me use this one here. You get me? Market structure shift here. Left a fair value gap here. I was expecting here it broke liquidity on the lower side. You get me? Broke liquidity on the lower side, tapped inside that 4 hour fair value gap. So right now I was expecting price to come back and reject from here, you get me? I was expecting price to reject from here like this. After breaking this market structure shift, give me an entry like this inside this fair value gap, you get me, before it can go above. As you can see, it's moving without me. It didn't give me a retest, you feel me? And as you know, I can't chase the market. I won't chase the market. So with that being said, I think this will be the end of the video. It's Friday today. There's nothing much to expect from here now, you get me? Especially because your ray is taking out liquidity and is pushing, you get me? It might push until here, but me trying to catch an entry till here is me chasing price, and I'm not gonna do that, you get me? So yeah, with that being said, this is the end of the video. Thank you for tuning in, and I appreciate your time, you feel me?